Hi guys, welcome back. Right, here we have the ABUS 8345 series. I think that's a 1. It's a bit of a squiggly one. This one was sent to me by Ricky Wales. You can see there that I have picked it. It's key retaining, look, so once you turn the core it stays turned. He didn't send me any keys with this, so you know I've picked it because it's open. So, you know, I'll try and pick it on video if I can. I do not normally do very well with ABUSes. They are my nemesis. But I've just picked it off camera. I tried picking it on camera 5 minutes ago and basically didn't get, well, yeah, I know how to open it, but it just didn't happen. So we're gonna have a go now, and hopefully, if I'm very gentle, just starting at the front, I get a couple of clicks out of each pin. That was 1 and 2. I get something out of number 3. That was a little turn on the core. See, there's a little false set. I think we're at the back. Are we at the back? Don't want to drop it all. Dropped it. Okay, I lost the false set, which is not good. Let's try and get this false set back. They're all feeling springy now. Reset it, try again. Always the same. Turn the camera on, goes tits up. Especially with these ABUSes. They just don't like me. Now come on. Where's the false set gone? My hands are hurting now. Gonna have to have a break in a minute. Try this again. After 10-minute rest or something. Because it's just isn't happening again. Nothing's happening again. One last shot. And then we're cutting. Right, there's the false set again. Now it should just be pin 5. For some reason, pin 5 is a bugger. I'll either get it or drop everything. Got it. There we go. blimey, that took ages, but like I say guys, these abuses just give me so much trouble. I did do it a little bit quicker while the camera is off. Sometimes I can go 1 to 5 and get that pin number 5 straight away, but it just wasn't happening tonight. But you know, I'm happy it's open and on camera. I shall practice a lot more with abuses because they seem to be my nemesis. Once I get them down, you know, I'll be happy. But you know, it's open. Right, these will be going on to Alan, so I'll try and get these out to the post as quick as I can. What's it today? Thursday, Friday. Well, it's nearly midnight, so it's nearly Friday. My wife's going to hospital Saturday, so I'm not going to be able to do it Saturday, so it's going to be early next week before I can get them in the post to you, Al. So sorry about the wait, but you know, real life kicks us in the ass sometimes. Anyway guys, enough of my whittering on. I'll see you later. Cheerio now.